Orchids. Orchids, the queen of the floristic world. One of the most fascinating creations of nature. Extraordinary beautiful flowers with complicated floral arrangement. Rarest, costliest, with highest global demand. The bewildering colors, shapes and sizes coupled with longer shelf life made them the best of the cut flowers in the international market. That's why they have very high global demand. Orchids are used in various ways as medicinal, edible, fragrant and ornamental. Nearly 30,000 species in the world and nearly 1,300 species in India. In our Biodiversity Park, there are two areas. One, natural orchidarium, where more than 20 species of orchids are seen on trees. And nearly 50 varieties are there in the orchidarium, greenhouse or pollinated house. They need diffused light, not direct sunlight. And they also need special potting medium. For example, they need cocoa peat, fiber, sphagnum moss, perlite, sand grains, bark pieces, etc. Orchidarium of Biodiversity Park. More than 50 species of orchids are there, along with ferns, pitcher plants, and calatheas, marantas, peace lilies, anthurias. Here we have the students from Sri Gayatri College, Kurmanapalam. They are explaining the diversity of orchids in this orchidarium.
This is Dendrodium nobile and Dendrodium candidum and Dendrodium pyranum.
Catleya, good morning. This is Oncosteal. This is Dendrobium alpha-5.
This is Dendrodium denflorum. This is Vanda tessellata. This is Dendrobium farmeri. This is Dendrodium terminale. This is Cymbidium alofolium. This is Dendridium white innocent, and this is known as Plalinophosis sun beauty. This is Dendrodium terminale. This is Ascocentrum. This is Bulbophyllum. This is Ascocentrum, and this is Vanda tessellata, and this is the Vanda ampullaceae. This is Vanda teres orchidaceae. This is Arides multiflora orchidaceae. This is Vanda testacea. This is Dendrobium fimbriatum.
This is Rhynchosilus retusa and this is Coelogan cristata and this is Vanda cristata and this is Acampe premorsa.
This is Coelogan cristata. This is Coelogan orchracea. This is Arides odoratum, and this is Phaloenopsis happy song mini.
This is the natural orchidarium and fern section. They are explaining the diversity of orchids naturally seen on the trees.
This is Dendrodium ephyllum.
Bizzare. This is Inco stylish disease. This is Vanda tessellata, known as Augsburgi, and these are velamin roots.
Holding the main plant. So these are the velamin roots which take atmospheric moisture. Okay? These are the two types of roots which we study in the book. So vanda, velamin roots and clinging roots. Okay? Which are best example for epiphytes.
This is Orchids cristata.
This is Ginkgo stylis redusa, also known as fox tail orchid.
This is Cattleya Julia.
This is Cymbidium alloifolium.
This is Camellia planifolia, which is also called as ice cream plant.
Beronia. This is Dendrobium aphyllum.
In this top, Vanda cristata. In this is Vanda roxbia.
This is known as Aridis odorata.
There is an international demand for these orchid flowers because it has a very beautiful flowers. You can see the first row of these ornamental plants. We have a dendrobium, we have vanda, each and every species in this garden. So to know about these orchids, first you have to know what are these plants. These are called as epiphytes. So epiphytes means which grow on other plants for need of sunlight and everything. So now here we are growing orchids in a natural area and also in the greenhouse. If we want to keep naturally, we have to keep the plant and we have to keep the sphagnum moss because orchids need continuous water. If we wanted to keep in a greenhouse, we have to mix the sphagnum moss and we have to keep these bricks and small cocoa chips and this perlite. So